Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a super quick way to install the System.io app right onto your Windows 11 PC or laptop for much faster access. To make things easy, you can just use a direct link in the video description or pinned comment below so you can follow along. It's completely safe to use and has absolutely no extra cost for you. Alright, once you have clicked the link or opened up your browser, look up at the top right corner and click those three little dots. On Microsoft Edge, you will see in the drop-down More Tools, Apps, install the site as an app. On Google Chrome, you will see in the drop-down Cast, Save and Share, and then install this site as an app. A small window will pop up asking you to name it. I like to backspace and delete the extra text, so it just says System.io. It looks much cleaner on the desktop. Once you've renamed it, just click Install. Now Windows will ask you how you want to configure it. You will see options to pin it to your taskbar, your start menu, or create a desktop shortcut. To keep things simple and fast, I'm just going to use select pin to taskbar and create desktop shortcut, then click allow. You can close everything, and as you can see here, we have a new shiny shortcut right here on the desktop. Just double click it to open, create a new System.io account, or just log in if you have one already, and you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching.